As the Congress decided to launch nationwide agitation from September 24 against the government for passing firm bills in Parliament, members of Karbi Anglong Youth Congress protested at Samson Singh T Memorial Park here on Tuesday. The party alleged that the manner in which the bill had been passed in Parliament had certainly eroded the democratic fabric of the nation. The Farmer Agreement on Price Assurance and Firm Services Bill and the Farming Produce Trade and Commerce Bill were cleared the Parliament by voice vote in Parliament, even as the oppositions protested and stormed the well of the House. The government rushing through two contentious farm bills and frees the protest from the oppositions. Senior leader charged towards the sheet of Deputy Chairman Harivansh Singh, who was presiding over the proceedings. Leaders jumped onto the tables and shot videos of the ruckus which turned the Rajya Sabha into a battleground on Sunday. House Chairman Venkaiah Naidu also expressed concern at the developments that it had hurt the image of the House. He said he was ready to consider the action taken against the members provided they expressed regret for the conduct. He noted that the suspended members have been justifying their unparliamentary conduct. Also, he informed Harivansh Singh to prepare tea himself this morning and serve it to the suspended members sitting on the dharnas in Parliament premise this morning.
No,